Hey, this is Anik Singal. Welcome to this page. So listen, it's time again. Lurn Summit, the Virtual Summit 2.0, the second one. Man, our first one was such a huge success. So listen, you want to grow a business, you want to start and grow an online business, I got a $1 challenge for you. $1, baby, that is all. Are you willing to put down $1 for your dreams? Are you committed? Listen, the first time we did this, okay, the first time that we did the Virtual Summit, it was a massive success. Thousands of people joined us. We're doing it again. And we're bringing amazing experts right to your doorstep. Listen, you don't have to leave your home. It's a virtual event. You sit right where you are right now. Tap in during the weekend. It won't disturb your life. You don't have to leave your family. You don't have to take time off of work. You don't have to spend tons of money on airfare and hotels, but you get all the same knowledge. We'll share with you how to build an email business. We'll share with you how to build a consulting business. We'll give you the entire formula. We're going to share with you how to become a copywriting master. I want to share the entire formula with you. The whole thing, by the way, we're talking about $1 for the entire weekend. This is like 16 hours of training. We're going to share with you how to do Facebook ads, YouTube ads, free traffic, influencer marketing. You're not going to get this information if you go to YouTube or Google. We're bringing Robert Kiyosaki to your doorstep, Bob Proctor to your doorstep, the CEO of ClickBank. You know, he gets to see thousands of transactions happening every hour. Can you imagine the knowledge he has? He's going to tell you exactly what the trends are, what the people who make the most money on ClickBank are doing right now, how they get their traffic, how they convert their traffic. Guys, this is invaluable information. He doesn't share this anywhere else except for on our official second Virtual Lurn Summit. If you were there at the first one, you got to be there at the second one. All right, this is going to be even more powerful. We had such transformations occur over that weekend that we had to do it again. And we're bringing the same keynotes back to you to impact you one more time. So you've got to be there for this virtual weekend. It's $1 and a commitment for 2 days. Come on, how serious are you about your future? You're going to learn business models, conversion strategies, traffic strategies. You're going to get a chance to ask us questions. We're going to engage and interact with you. You know, events made the biggest difference in my life. You know, for the first 18 months I tried to start my online business, I struggled. I think I failed over 50 times. I have no idea how I even survived. You know my biggest breakthrough? I flew to an event in Delray Beach, Florida. Here's the thing though, I had to sell things on eBay just to raise money for the ticket to fly there, all right? And I had to find people to room with so that I could avoid the big hotel fees. And I literally, thankfully, was taken out to lunch and dinner by other people. Otherwise, I wouldn't have eaten. We don't need to do this. This is why we have the virtual summit, okay? This is why we're doing our second virtual summit. So that you stay home, you stay with your family, you don't have to take time off of work, but you get the knowledge. You still get that event feeling. You're still in one place with all of Lurn Nation, and you still get that transformation. And it's $1. Now, why am I even charging $1? Because I want you to have some skin in the game. I'm not going to make it free. Listen, scroll below, all right? Look at the lineup of experts, coaches, and just the keynotes we have. Just look at the value of being able to spend an hour with Robert Kiyosaki, Bob Proctor, and the CEO of ClickBank Heaven. All three, and it's $1, right? So when you look at that, you're going to scroll below right now, and you're going to look at the topics we're covering and the speakers we have, and you're going to say, wow, this is ridiculous. I'm definitely going to give it I'm going to invest the $1, and I'm definitely going to invest the 2 days of time. Listen, you'll also get the replay access once the event is done. For some reason, if you can't make the event, at least for this $1, you have access to the replays for life. Don't miss this. The first event was such a huge success. Over 10,000 people that had joined us in our first event. Now, we're going to do it all over again on our second official Virtual Lurn Summit. What's it going to be? Look, scroll below, make your own decision. But I challenge you to prove to me that's not worth $1. All right, so come on, take me up on my $1 challenge. Show us how serious you are here at Lurn Nation. We want to support you. Remember, we are the transformational home for entrepreneurs. Our entire purpose of existing is to help you, but we can't help you unless you take a step up. So scroll below, find that button, click it, put your $1 down, and I'll see you on the weekend. Again, welcome officially to our second ever Virtual Lurn Summit. This is Anik Singal reminding you that when life pushes you, stand straight, smile, and push it the heck back. I'll see you live during the Virtual Lurn Summit.